mein Burger. Wie geht es dir?
Wunderbar. Und dir?
Good. Danke. Yeah. Yeah. They say me call Germany one. So for me, man fashia makura 2x4 ne dia. Before say me refi. Me dia ba. Say man fashia ma o. Me ne ma na kan suyo so de dada ntumi amedru. Ba kasa me enu ne dia me rent me fi. What ya say? Yankopon hira mo. Says.
Yes.
Miss Turey.
Yes.
O ye kwan. O free hin. O wanu anom say. Ehifa no cool school. Yenkwe. Boy abrabo mu nkomo kakra.
Miss Turey, full name, Marilyn Mabinti Selassie Turey. Marilyn, English name.
Okay.
Mabinti, Sierra Leonean name. Because my papa free Sierra Leone, my late dad.
Okay.
Selassie, I before and I bedi, right?
Okay.
Because my mommy I beni.
So.
Turey, my papa di.
So.
Yes.
Okay. Uko school with him fa.
Well, your woman was Germany.
Your
woman was Germany, 1989.
Oh, my and Germany.
Germany.
Oh, okay.
Right.
1989.
1989. Okay. Made it 35 now.
Oh, okay.
This year, I got 36.
Oh, wow.
Right.
You look so beautiful, and you don't look like. Yeah.
Thank you.
I said before say we are 22, 25.
I'm past that stage.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow.
Anyway, so yes, I was born in Germany. I went to school in Germany till 2nd grade.
Okay.
And then my mom decided to bring my brother, my senior brother, and myself.
Okay.
To Ghana. Say yembe suya culture no.
Okay.
Na yenko school wa haka.
Moya do say.
Me mama side ya o mienu. Me nua penini enemy.
Unya penny no your
2 years older than me or your bema.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay.
Me papa side ya or worry and son worry me mama.
Oh, okay.
So in the first marriage no, ono so we mienu wo ho.
Wow.
Mema mienu.
Wow.
But back way free mu.
Oh,
Inti yemfa ne say aka 3.
Aka 3.
Right.
It is see mama hwe.
Probably yes.
Okay, ni chia na mama. Show camera ni na chia mama Emma.
Greetings, mommy.
Ka dort ba ko tre no.
Ich hoffe, es geht dir gut zu Hause. Ich weiß, du bist heute stolz auf mich. Ich liebe dich.
Elise, ich liebe dich. I love you so much, Mama. We love you, okay? Okay, so let's continue.
Yeah, so me mama de ye ba hanum.
Okay.
So me call Christ the King. That was 98. That time na me di be 8.
Okay.
To me call Christ the King.
Now we're the 8 years.
8 years old.
Okay.
Yes. Me call Christ the King cantonments.
Okay.
From class 2 to class 5. And na me mama now pese o back to Germany because na me papa ye juma wo ho.
Okay.
Until was so kotina ne kunu nchen but
now papa ye juma ben wo Germany.
no, you're doctor.
Oh, you're doctor.
Medical doctor.
Oh, Germany?
Yes, please. Allgemein Mediziner. Yes. On the own clinic. Ratingen. Yes.
So.
Yes.
Wow.
For so many years.
Wow.
So many years.
Wow. Okay,
yes. Yeah, so me call Christ the King. Na me mama pese or call back to Germany. Call one me papa one ejuma because ono so
ye. I'm need you mo fan chair na tree na nsa dan ko ya mo fa enche won se boges ne de mo ye wo mo abruchin de or try but say mo fan chair. Why?
Me mama so your nurse midwife. So the plan was say obeko back na wakobwa me papa e won clinic.
Okay.
Yeah. But say obeja me e wo fie de. Na me stubborn pa.
I can see.
Na me hardring inti or the make share boarding. That was John Tay Memorial of Fanco, if my memory serves me right. Of Fanco.
That bafo ne mama bafo ni school no John Tay.
John Tay.
Okay.
Into John Tay me call class 5 na and I made the BC 2006.
Okay.
Afterwards me call St. Rose's Aquatia, Eastern region. But a home memory me call to 2nd term. And I me call back to Germany 2007.
I didn't see when we SS no.
In some but to cut the whole story short, no.
Okay.
Na minyem.
Na onyem.
Na minyem. Yes.
That time, na how many years? Na onyem.
At that time, na me was 17.
And na onyem.
And no na enye my first pregnancy, but yen fanisa na minyem. Yeah. Inti and at that time so na menua area in schooling I was presec inti onu di kind call back to Germany inti na aka me
okay
yeah me papa wo ho menua wo ho me mama wo ho inti me ne me mama call agreements mo say was say me yi ni nsen ne dia onto ticket mama na me nso me beka omo ho me pese metina Ghana bio
time na uko SS no
yes
na wonyem
yes
ukonyem ye
me konyem ye
time went me entina went me enwie secondary school no
e wo hanum yeah
hey and I maame. Minti ase. Nti one.
Debbie, man. Like I said, enokrana enye me first nyinsen no. Me first nyinsen no na me di 14. Back in the days. Yes. First nyinsen no na me di 14. Nti eno was
first nyinsen no.
Yes.
Na we di 14 years.
Yes.
Wo boarding school no.
Yes.
Na ukonye mo.
John time.
That time Mr. Bisa wo. Wone empanifo. Ena kwade die ya wonye mo ya na se wone
me age group, my first love.
Oh, first love.
Yes.
Now where this say?
I think 2 years older than me at the time.
So no where this 16?
Yeah.
Oh, first nyinsen no.
Yes.
No, na die. Na wonye mo ye. Okay, yento aswe.
So back to roses. Me sanyim biom. Yeah.
14 no nyinsen no ko yiye.
Yes, of course. Me 14 no.
And I was sanyim
and I mean biom. Sanyim biom. Into third one no. So that time no na me wo roses no. Into na me mama so I fed up as a mom. Now opese mini biom anyways.
Okay.
But na me so na me man condition say me yimpa o ma me bra back to Germany. Me pese metina Ghana biom. Inti on track tickets no enhre me. Me hu ticket na me pene so na omoyi nyinse no. Na ma come back to Germany. And she did just that. Inti me nyinse no 2 days later and me de call 2007 summertime.
It's the first one na mama ya we and okoyima o. And a second one
na me kra men shada nya we won say na me sa.
Okay, nti na won shada nya we say
na me suspect it.
Okay.
But mama ni doctor ne your line say infection whatever and na omoyi.
Wow.
Yes, second one dey na me aware na omoyi enta form.
And then na wotete wo maame no papa na hard dwene.
Na me hard dwene sis.
Ase dada mafo na nkasa bebiri na hard dwene.
No kra ba ko
na me hard. Mo ntse yenya asa ewemfo ma no.
Me so no dey na me hard dwene. Yes.
Bibia show still class or hard.
Oh, say ma cool it down.
Cool it down.
Yes.
It's who call Germany. Mama do call Germany no. Say or accept it.
Yes.
Say or the obeko. No try ticket ma and I'll call any go see say.
Once me better na 10 years. So me call ye for no there. Me san call language school ne biom.
Okay.
Because na me nka Deutsch ne biom sa. So me call just a short course. Santwa me school no so. And alongside me nyem me first kids in Tafo no. Se say omo 14. September omo 15, boy and girl.
Oh ma, omo 14. How old are you?
I'm 35, going to
35
36 this year.
So oh 21 years.
At the age of 21.
No, we are twins.
Yes, please, boy and girl.
And this year omo 15 years.
16.
16.
No, sorry, 15. Right, 15.
But you don't look like. So how many children do you have now?
I have 4. I have the twins. I have Turey, who is also a girl. And Inshira, she's also a girl. So I have 3 girls and a boy.
Why are you? So many now way.
Omo Germany.
Omo Germany.
Yes, please.
Wow. And a year day.
Well, like I said, na me go school in the nursing sector though. But me twins no. Until I was a fear, you know, through pregnancy and everything. So to cut the whole story short, I had the kids.
Wow.
Stayed at home, took care of them and all that. On module stage now, me to me a baby with my life no. And I'm here, me nursing. Yes, so thank God today I'm a geriatric nurse. Wow. I specialize in the care of old people. Me share emrewa for ninkokrafo. That's my specialty.
Oh, Germany.
Germany.
Wow. Oko Germany no. Na experience need to say and a daddy.
Well, send me a Germany. Into na enye adia ehu bia. Yeah. But na me hard ne. Into I said na focus no any school so sa. I'm very smart. I'm talking about academically.
Okay.
But na me focus no any books so sa. Enu nti na nyinse no eba ye wo fintafo no. Because na me go school.
Okay.
Just like me Ghana na me go school am nyem here.
Okay.
But all the same, last no, I was able to make something out of my life. My 3-year nursing course no, me year 2020, 22. 2022.
Okay.
March. The same day now, me me nursing school no, me graduation no, and I'm papa free no.
Jesus.
Yes. That same day, and no free more.
You were about to cry, but
I'm so sorry.
Oh God. Oh God.
Yeah. But medanyamia say sadano still onyame bie kwan mame enene kasa biom. Ansana man sinin kabium.
So na o wish ni say enka obere school wa be start ejuma be show papa and I said then because
me papa was well to do and who here say mehwe because na onisika. Yeah, if at all sometimes on okra na from Africa. That was not a problem, but now me papa you very educated. 20 Thank you so much. I'm so sorry. My father was my everything. Na ne you know, let me go back. One say me can't say Miss Swano na me very stubborn and all that. It was a shame to my family because I come from a very respectable home
and rich home. Yeah.
Rich, well to do, let me put it like that. So now as a me bring shame to family no. My father's greatest wish was say regardless of say my work and colanin term and everything no. I should make something out of my life. It was his pride to see me doing my nursing course.
Okay.
You know, and that's why I'm so grateful that on the same day that I finished, yes, he passed away, but I had a chance to speak to him. I think it was like 10 seconds.
Wow.
10 seconds. He was in the hospital. And I was like, Papa, I've finished my course. I'm done.
Okay.
He said, yeah, no friend me Mama.
Oh, Mama, what kind of Deutsch muss sein, Papa?
Ich bin fertig. Ich habe mein Examen geschafft.
Oh.
Yes, exam, that's the final exam to become a qualified nurse. Yes. And he always, the response was, Mama, he used to call me Mama.
Mama.
I say, Mama, ich weiß, ich hab das schon gesehen. So I'm sure that during the day, he saw me posting because now me posting.
Yeah.
But that time, no, my friend, no, because maybe a calls baby, you know, so excited, me in school. And I'm a say, I've not called my dad. And as usual, normally my friend a video call, and me friend, no. And then the whole situation with him in the hospital, you know, came to my attention. But at least, like I said, me to make a and say me real.
So what's
that's fine.
Na me fan a crancy baby.
Amen.
So daddy free musa no. Na experience no. Na it's saying as a beka woni mami ni nkola ne nko na it's saying na that time no mami wo Ghana na.
At the time na or Germany.
No, Germany. Okay.
Mami
betina Ghana kakra.
Mami ba Ghana, that's 2 years now roughly.
Oh, okay.
On your stroke.
Oh.
Mami your stroke 2 years ago on Mother's Day. Na me nam kwan so call Holland that time. And I mean a friend say that was afternoon, I think morning time. A friend say or feeling say mama in your stroke. So me dane kano and I me call ni honum. Thank God me rengi and to me be a dono. Me who say one side no gununa me free ambulance fast.
It was Germany.
It was Germany. Wow. 2 years ago. So now she's here in Ghana.
Sorry,
we're taking care of her here in Ghana. Thank you. Thank you.
Kuse. Ain't more funny saying, I mean, since daddy free, more mommy so be stroke, no experience and not it's the same because they were show no a more experience in crunch a free hole because who said it wasn't easy at all.
Yes. Daddy free mono for me especially because me and the last child.
Okay.
And I mean kwanso na me me oba.
Okay.
Tina me ne bond no very tight. Until I felt it. And they said me see her Martinez you. It was not easy. Yeah, he's always on my mind. So that's why I'm very careful about what I do today. Because he was a big person. He had a good name. He helped.
Doctor na Germany where he side.
Ratingen, a city before Düsseldorf.
Düsseldorf, okay.
Ratingen Tiefenbräuch.
Okay.
Now on a practice, own practice wato.
Wow.
Yes. Until years ago when he decided to go back to Sierra Leone and our tongue. And I'll call back.
Okay.
Until I'll call back no. I'll call head doctor for 2 hospitals.
Oh wow.
Nabaku Ewo village and Nabaku was city no. Unfortunately for us no, the day of his death, Yarieno Kano no, na our village. And as Sierra Leone so omu delay a lot of ferry. It was a woody ship no, a call back to city.
Oh.
Africa. Say ambulance bedroom hontem village honum no. Ako fano, ako back to city no. na ye too late until we ambulance no.
So sorry. So sorry.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Yeah. Mama so yari no na enye easy, especially beginning no. Mama at na Germany for over 50 years.
Wow.
Or by Germany at the age of 18. With the 74 this year.
Wow, then you are
Yes,
blessed.
yes. What na ho ache.
I mean, show. Wow.
But Edru baby no na say be hwe no na e ha adwene kakra because me ejuma full time. Me nua so ye ejuma. Untumi nja ono nkwa. Di na e better say owo ni dan, owo ni fie wa ha.
Okay.
Wa bobra, owo ni sika. Ono a na e hwe ne ho wa ha. Ye mane no.
Okay.
So na e better say on better na ne fie.
Pasisi amani obi o hwe nka.
Owo ni 24-hour nurse wo ho, owo ni house of ho. Or you okay?
Everything will be fine.
Yeah.
So for mama, if I told me try no, me samba wo so enchebe. So for mama, bremo kakra bi na me nko me next question. Soon some okay. If I told, I think it's too emotional. Bremo kakra.
So sorry. Me na semini aba. Na sem no attach me pa. Me sere ade so onfa ne papa kra nsi. Na on hye me nua ba ne so de. Isan say abrabom wa fem pa. Our parents are almost done. We should send your narrating the story from the beginning. Yeah, the next to boarding house. Boarding house ni no. Or you crab on same baby. But for no. A African parent be a minimum. A work on him.
Back on him. And if I want.
Yet me pa more crabby crazy.
Wara o mami an kanchi re wara ko faba. Show where.
But the parents, I'm really proud of the parents. You need the pabola with you.
Yes.
Send your TBA, they were proud of her. No more chair no dopa. Edu baby crow man, the parents' condition. Men who playing ticket. Many more yet more penal. Emma, Emma almost saw the need for just to please the daughter because they want to see her happy.
Happy.
It's good, sell bewo, but one way you know the wrong time now. It's me hard dream baby. Omo reason omo man ne ko terminate pregnancy no. Their personal reason.
Okay.
Nyem de bi asma me kan say nyame de pa amaye. Ho no me nko ho bebre.
Okay.
But the make kan say ni parents aya de bebre. They deserve the best in life.
Wow.
And I will also cheer ni parents odo pa. Say o share ni papa nyunyam etimi ko school. Etimi be ye nurse ni ku dadama o pese oye. Ansa na owo ne ma. Say your firm kuku ahwe ase nyina anim no wampa ba wa brabom e che nipa de wo de besi wani so bia no we are determined you will get there and now we are awofo a embre wo bada
the bidder
emfa wo ne asoden abofra ne beye e wo sa abrani nyina wo gina wo bechi na wo hwe se because akwa not in baby one mekra wo na wo de na ba wiase ye wasede se wo be ma nanya daache papa wasede se wo be protecting spiritually and then physically. What I say? Say no more, so what do, so would you send a hot tono? Was said ye. African mother for fra, or be neglecting. I don't cry my bro. You are not the only daughter. Have was some cock. 1 year market now couldn't feel a whole source of nuisance. But the parents are yes, intimacy and what them pass said, the enemy mammy cumbia. A radim man, mammy, and what was the matter piano in Yarisa? A radim man, mammy, and what dear. A brown one dear so. It's answer no pay one kwampo nyankwadea. Mistress say a rademane mame anwodin. Na on di ne breast waba. Ne papa de nyame nya to nsa friend dada. Yes stress rademane baby pants na. Ba ono so no me de nyame asema na brabo. Say when giving up in life. Na emfa ho se owoye. He owo twins nyina. Twins na odi kan Lucy no. They came back to her. Wow. She
don't look like her.
No. A mother of 4. She looks so beautiful. Me did this a brush on your corner. No, but she didn't see her. Why you too beautiful as a mother of 4? Because me share me as a mother of 2. Now me the compare now. As me did them.
Not me share me mother of 1.
Not as I did them pa. It comes with a hard work. Or you'll be a your pebby and so pagoda or going for gold. Or per silver or going for silver. A idea be a was a my emulative from her. Or cassa or ye bright. Just why smart. A babu kumwa. Or one cassa with my dear pa. Anna Nenisos J. Mema from the beginning. Or cassa no ye stubborn. But as we speak, we're calming down. What's said they are war? Obe calm me down. And no baby, I will be an in one boa crowd done it. Nemo when you're done, you are one, you are with me on Wedma. Emma be senipa. Yamino, Yami won't shroud.
me doctor me patrol you try ho aba ye ba ye beto aso ne asan aba ho me ma me na me nshira ho
amen
yankopon nshira ho me patrol me ma me afia ye boa ko TikTok bo afia ye boa obi won say me ma me fefefe oda so ko tie ne counseling ne je say ni nsem ni e beta chew in fact okasa with wisdom mera ho experiences in life unim say you can be bi abrabo mu nsem de ahinta ekukuhwe ase osum areho enije kakra bi ne wom adesuade no ene doso yakopon hira boafa wona so masin nyina Jeffers mixture papa kopebi nintu yare ni nyina so ye bema waye mre wo mpema p capsules eye wodi akogibi angel beverages ni nyina kwagibi wate parties programs ahora we nyina I don't go next level angel energy drink kwagibi papa go furniture enkunya papa efi Shasha Ricks and Ashemi Debbie's closets and Ashamatari Quadro shoes and Ashamin Pabwe possible makeup and a chimney come. My name is Turey. A possible makeup. Shoshano, our TikTok, Instagram, baby, possible makeup. In Capone Gumacomunina, the boy fashion, jewelries, Linus Foods. And my union na organic edi yento aso